In today's lesson, we will practice listening skills.
Video includes 3-part. Watch until the end and test your English listening skills.
Part 1. Fill in the blank. In this part, you will have to fill in the blank while listening to a conversation. You will have 5 seconds for each answer. Coastal restaurant.
Good evening. Welcome to Ocean Breeze. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's under the name Jay.
Let me check. Ah, yes. Table for 2 by the window. Please follow me.
Thanks.
The view is really nice.
What would you like to start with? We have fresh seafood, and today's special dish is grilled shrimp.
Okay, I'll have the grilled shrimp. How about you?
Same as you.
Great choice. Would you like some dessert after your meal?
What do you recommend?
Our apple pie is very popular and made fresh every day.
That sounds great. I'll have the pie too.
And key lime pie for me.
Thanks.
Job interview.
Welcome. You must be Lisa Green, right?
Yes, that's me. Thank you for this opportunity.
Please take a seat and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Can you tell me why you're interested in this job?
I've always liked marketing, and I think this job matches my skills and what I want to do.
Great. Can you talk about a time you had a problem at work and how you fixed it?
Yes. In my last job, I worked on a project with a short deadline. I brought the team together, shared the tasks, and we finished everything on time.
Amazing.
Part 2. Select the missing word. In Part 2, you will listen to a conversation. There are some blanks in the conversation where you have to select the best answers to find the correct phrases or words. You will have 5 seconds for each answer.
Good morning. Thank you for calling Pizza JJ. How may I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to order some food, please.
Of course. What would you like to eat?
I'd like a large mushroom pizza and a salad.
Great choice. May I have your name?
Sure, my name is Dina Johnson.
Thank you, Dina. Could you please tell me your delivery address?
It's 789 Oak Lane, apartment 5B. Oh, wait, is that enough information?
That's perfect. I'll make sure the driver knows where to go. Just to confirm, could you provide your phone number?
Yes, it's 555-1234.
Thank you. When do you want your order ready?
As soon as possible, please.
No problem. Your order will be delivered in about 30 minutes.
Awesome, I'll be waiting.
Thank you, Dina. Your order will be on its way soon.
Thank you so much. Part 3. Choose the best answers. In this part, there are conversations. You will have to listen to them and answer questions based on the conversations. Pay careful attention and choose the correct ones. A trip. Hey, Emily, it's been so long since we last met. I know, right? How have you been? Pretty good, just busy with work. What about you? Same here. I have been working a lot lately. But I finally took some time off last weekend and went hiking. Oh, that sounds amazing. Where did you go? I went to Pine Ridge. It's such a peaceful place. Wow, that's interesting. Did you go alone? No, I went with my husband. We started early in the morning, around 6 a.m. Good idea. It's nice to escape the city for a bit.
Question 1. How does Emily describe Pine Ridge? A. It's very busy. B. It's a peaceful place. C. It's a crowded place. The correct answer is B. It's a peaceful place. Question 2. When did Emily start her hike? A. 6 a.m. B. 8 a.m. C. 4 p.m. The correct answer is A. 6 a.m.
Forgot something. Jack, have you found the book we need for our project?
Yeah, I found 2 books on the topic. Which one should we use?
Let me think. I think this one has more useful information.
Great. I'll start reading this one, and you can take notes from the other.
Good idea. Do you have a pen? I forgot mine.
Sure, here you go.
Thanks. Let's get started.
Question 1. How many books did Jack find? A. 2 books. B. 1 book. C. 3 books. The correct answer is A. 2 books. Question 2. What did Sophie forget to bring? A. A book. B. A pen. C. Notes. The correct answer is B. A pen. Great job! You finished the practice. How do you feel about today's lesson? Please comment below and let us know your thoughts. Remember to come back and practice with this video again and again to improve your speaking and listening skills. Thanks for joining Practice English with Jessica today. See you next time.